Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This should hopefully be quite a quick video compared to like my other videos which seem to go on for ages, but this is just a really quick Desenio, which is a company that makes like prints, and I think they do canvases and they do lots of framed photos. They have incredible designs, like these two I've got I've got on the wall behind me are from there, so that's why I've kind of like changed around my room a bit just to film with those behind me. Oh, I am looking a little bit loungy now. I literally have just filmed a Primark video and I was trying all the stuff on, and this was one of the things that I bought. It's really cute. Look, it says dream big and work hard, so pretty much what I'm trying to do. So anyway, what I thought might be interesting, I know a lot of people, I do see Desenio stuff on YouTube, Instagram, I do see a lot of it, but I thought I would just show you how it arrives when you order it. I have got my order here and I'm going to unbox it. I haven't looked at it yet, so this is like a first impressions as well. Obviously I have ordered from them before, like these ones behind me. I've got a few others as well, so I do know what they're like, but I wanted to show you what it comes like when you order it. So if you would like to have a look at what I ordered from Desenio and how it came packaged, what it's like inside, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so this is how it came in the post. So this is the actual parcel. So like you've got my name and address here, and then up the top here you've got just the label on it, so you know immediately that it is from there because you have this label on the packaging here. It does have a bit of tape. I have already taken the tape off, so you just pop the lid off like that, and then inside it is all like rolled up, and then you have like on the, I don't know if this, I think this is a piece of paper that's rolled up with, you have Desenio print on there. And then when you take it out of the package, you have this really cute message on here which just like holds together like the roll of paper. So if you do buy anything, definitely go on their Instagram and pop your pictures up of what you've bought, and then you can always put hashtag Desenio on there. So yeah, you just peel from this side, you just pull it across, I think. I'm just going to attempt to do that now without, yeah, so it comes up really easily on there. It's like some kind of special sticky thing, so you can literally just pull it across like that, and then you should be able to then unroll your prints. Oh, this is exciting. These are the ones I bought, which was the flower wall, which was 40 by 50, the abstract acrylic, which is 40 by 50, autumn gold, 30 by 40, and the world is yours, 30 by 40. So that is the ones that I bought. I will go back on my, because it doesn't have the prices on this, but I will go back on my emails and I'll pop the prices of what I paid down below. Now I did have a code when I was using mine. I don't know if that's still live now, so I won't mention it, but I did have a slight discount on prices, so bear that in mind if you are having a look for anything that I've bought. Oh my god, they look so nice. Like, I'm so excited. Okay, so the first piece that I bought was this one. So this is The World Is Yours, and this is a rose gold print on here. And then you've got this beautiful like snowy mountain range just on the bottom there. Now this size here is the 30 by 40 size, so you can see it's quite big, but it's not huge. I am going to be framing all these in a minute and then showing you how I framed them, and also where I got my frames from and what I paid for them, because I didn't get them framed in Desenio. I did go to IKEA. So this is this one, and it is so nice. The quality, whoops, I'm going to pop the rest on the floor before I ruin them. Oh, the quality is really nice. It's like a really thick card, but of course these do need to be framed. Like, you couldn't just buy the print and stick the print on the wall. It does need to be framed. That is the first one, and I'm super happy with that one. I love the reflective rose gold as well. I'll just try and catch the light on that so you can, oh there we go, see? Really pretty, love that. Okay, so then next, so this is like the, I think these are called fur, aren't they, these? But like they're like gold and browns and just lovely. Up in my bedroom, it is a lot of kind of these sorts of colours. It's a very autumnal bedroom. I love autumn. So that's why I went for this one. Now, I didn't realise this online, but as you can see, this one has a border on it. So I ordered the same size as the one I just showed you, which was 30 by 40, but this one's got a border. So the actual picture is not 30 by 40. So I'm actually not sure how this is going to look in the frame I've bought for it. But anyway, we'll give it a go and hopefully it will look okay. So next, this was my favourite one. This is the one I kept seeing. I think it must have been on my Instagram. I think it kept coming up. You know when you see the same thing over and over again next to me, you're like, oh, I just want that. Just let me buy that. So yeah, this was the one I got. Now I got this in the much bigger size. This is the 40 by 50 size. So you can see if I just hold it back here, it is quite a bit bigger than the others. And same as the first one, the actual picture is all the way up to the edge here. But yeah, this one is so pretty. I mean, look at the gold. I was planning on putting this in the bathroom, but I don't know, because I've actually got like a big blank wall in the landing, and this is so big that I think this would look so lovely in there. So again, I will frame this in a minute and show you what it looks like. Last but not least, I got this one, which is so beautiful. I think these must be peonies, I think, but look at that. It's so lovely. Like the flowers and the pink, the colours of it. I think it's just lovely with like the bit of white here, and then you've got the pinks. I just think that is a beautiful poster. And again, sorry, print, not poster. And again, it's same quality. I am now going to pop these in frames and try and get them looking all pretty, because they totally look so different. I mean, they probably don't look so great when they're just like this, but when they're framed up, they just look absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to do that now, and then I'm going to come back and show you. Right, so I have popped all of these into the frames and I am so happy with them. I cannot wait to put them on the wall. I have to wait for Ollie to put them on the walls for me, not because I can't do it, but because I don't know where our cabling is, and you know, I really don't want to be putting screws through cables, so I will leave that to Ollie. But let me show you. So first up, I have popped this one here, sorry, the reflection, in this frame. So this is the frame from IKEA. If I just show you a bit closer, it's a bit weird with this one because this is the one I was telling you about. This picture already has its own border, but if you just look a bit closer there, you should be able to see like the IKEA border, because these do come with their own border. If you put the pictures on with the border, I do think it gives it a little bit more of an expensive look to it. That's what I think anyway, but you can have either or. So this frame here is the 40 by 50 frame, but that is this part of it. So the actual inside part is the right size for these prints, and these prints are 30 by 40. So I hope that makes sense. So the biggest part is 40 by 50 and the actual print is 30 by 40. So super happy with that one. I don't know if I said, but this frame here was £8. Okay, so I have framed this one, and this is the world is yours print. I don't know if you can just see that on there. It does still reflect a bit, but actually the actual plastic on the top of the frame is more reflective. But this is the same again. This is the 40 by 50 frame from IKEA for £8, and the print inside is 30 by 40. Now I do think this one does look better because you haven't got that added border, so it's a lot more even looking. I definitely prefer the prints without the borders on. But talking about borders, I noticed earlier when I was looking at this one again, I've got the one up here and you can just see there that has got a little border around it. So when you don't use a frame with a border added in, actually the boarded prints look really nice. It kind of makes the frame look a little bit more expensive. But back to this one, I love it so much. Now I will, like I said, put the price of the prints underneath, but they were definitely, they were around, I think between £7 and £11 each. They're not ridiculously expensive. So if you think you could grab a frame from IKEA for £8 and you could get a print for £7, you know, you could get something like this for under £15. And I think, you know, these look really, really nice. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the bigger ones, which are going to be a little bit more difficult to show you on camera without completely blocking me out. But hopefully I can just show you the size of this if I move back a bit like that. And try not to set it on light with my candle. Right, so this is the, like, what did they call this one in the thing? This was called, hang on. Ooh. I think this is called the Abstract Acrylic print, and obviously this is in the pink and gold. Hopefully it's showing up on here how pretty it is. It is slightly annoying because, like, with the lights I've got, it does kind of reflect against the reflectiveness of the frame, but I think it looks so nice. I cannot wait to put this up on the wall. This is the 50 by 70 frame, which, I mean, this section here is 50 by 70, but it fits a print in it because it's got a border with it, and the print is 40 by 50. This is like really complicated, isn't it? Just like, oh, it's so annoying. Do you know what, here, look, it looks like I've got a bald patch, which I really have, actually. I'm going to cover that. Is that better? A bit better, isn't it? Oh, I just love it so, so much. I think it's gorgeous. And the frame was £10. And again, all these frames are from IKEA. So last but certainly not least, I have my flower wall print. Oh, do you know what? I thought the abstract one was going to be my favourite, but I think this is my favourite. I just love it. I love it's got pinks in it, but we've got different coloured pinks. You've got the cream and the whites in this flower here. Then you have got the dark bit here. So say your decor was like black and pink or white, it would just, or white and pink, you know, it would go with all of it because you have such a different amount of colours in here, but they're not too much. So they're very subtle colours, but it is quite a standout piece, if that makes any sense at all. But I did like going for the frames with the borders in them because then they're bigger. So you can get a bigger looking print. You don't have to pay the price for a bigger print, but you get a bigger looking print if you go for a border on it. And also it looks really nice. So I'll just move this back a bit so you can see it there. That is going to bring us to the end of the video. I hope this video doesn't end up being too long. It can't be too long because I haven't filmed for very long. So I'm hoping that means that this might be like a 10-minute video, which would be amazing, wouldn't it? I don't think I've ever done a 10-minute video. Oh, I didn't tell you what range the IKEA ones were. Hang on. There. I'm not going to try and say it, but that's the range of these prints. Because actually if you go into IKEA, there's so many different, sorry, not prints, frames. That's the range of IKEA frames. I hope that you found this interesting and a little bit helpful, and yeah, I would totally recommend either getting your prints and your frames from Desenio already framed, or just get your prints and grab some cheaper frames from IKEA and you can still get such a good look. So thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would also love that so much. But thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!